Hello, this is Bob Byrnes, Mayor of the City of Marshall, with this month's update. I'm going to first talk about some projects that are going on around town. Of course, the largest project is the Highway 19 project. Things are progressing very well, but it's a big project, and it's, still will be disruptions and some traffic issues that will be encountered probably for the next 4 to 5 weeks. The next week, what we expect is that the remainder of the road will be closed on the east side. It will be from Park Avenue to the bridge, so that would mean that 3rd Street, that access will be closed. There will still be the access, the crossover at High Street, that will be open. And then following that, maybe a week later, the Bruce Street intersection should open. So again, the project is moving along as scheduled, but it is a big project. The other project is North 6th Street, and we expect that will be paved next week, and then the road will be open. And of course, the Southview Trail is now complete, with the exception of the seeding, and that will be done yet this fall, but that Southview Trail is complete. The other big project, and of course I'm at the Splash, the new Aquatic Center, so the construction is complete. Next week you'll see some more activity here as our staff is trained on the safety training and everything else that will go in, and they'll be orientated to this. We'll be doing final testing on the systems, and then we anticipate that, weather dependent, Tuesday, August 4th, we will have a ribbon cutting here at 10 o'clock in the morning, and then it will be open then to the public at roughly 12:30, and it'll be open then till 7 o'clock p.m. After that, then it'll be open every day starting at noon till 7 p.m. That's a half an hour earlier and a half an hour later than what our normal pool hours would be. So on Monday, August 3rd, will be the last day at our current aquatic center, and then all the activities will move to the new aquatic center. The passes and entry that people have for the old pool, the existing pool, that will be good at the new pool. Prices are exactly the same for this year. There might be a question of, we're only going to be open a few weeks until, we get towards the end of August, but the everything needed to be in place and tested, and so because the water's here, we may as well open and let the public enjoy the new aquatic center. So there are a lot of features here. There, of course, is the main lap pool and the diving well, and the slide, large slide goes into that pool. There is the zero depth entry pool. There's the splash pad. There is the leisure river. So there's a lot of different features that are here. There's actually 57 different features, ranging all the way from the climbing wall to some of the water features that you see perhaps behind me that are going. So lots of activity. Some people may ask, some stats about the construction. There was roughly 250 truckloads of concrete that went into this, and then lots of rebar, lots of construction that went into this. Our size here, the total water surface area, is roughly 50% larger than our existing pool, so and it's a much larger footprint. So, visually it may look like, wow, is that larger or smaller? But because the site is so big, that it is roughly 50% larger than the existing pool. So again, ribbon cutting Tuesday, August 4th in the morning, and then open to the public at 12:30 that afternoon, and we'll all look forward to our new aquatic center. Once again, this is Bob Byrnes, Mayor of the City of Marshall.